All right, guys. So if you have a Google Sheet and you want to share that Google Sheet with a bunch of people, but you want certain parts of that Google Sheet to not be editable, meaning you want to lock that part of the Google Sheet down, I'm going to show you how to do that. So what I have here is just a Google Sheet that I've been playing with, doing a few videos on, and I have this data set here. Now, if I do not want anybody to be able to edit this data set, what I would do is open up data and go to protect sheets and ranges. I already have that one selected, so I'm actually going to delete this. So it's all brand new, right? So from this section, protected sheets and ranges, I'm going to select add a sheet or range. And we are going to select the data range by selecting this button right here, hitting this, and then hitting OK. And from here, you'll see the set permissions button pops up. I'm going to set permissions. I have this shared with myself twice. So I'm going to hit that I want it to be restrict who can edit this, right? I'm going to deselect it myself, hit done. Changes have been saved. Now, for my other account, you can see that this is now a different YouTube account. I'm sorry, Google account. If I come into this range and I try to make some changes, you can see that this pop-up shows it says there was a problem. You are trying to edit a protected cell or object. Please contact the spreadsheet owner to remove protection if you still need to edit. Pretty cool. Now, as somebody who doesn't own this document, if I go to data, protect sheets and ranges, and then set permissions, I only have the option to lock these cells from everybody else except for the owner. So if you don't own it, the owner can still come in and overwrite the changes that you've made because they actually own the cell. But you can still lock these cells down. Now it's going to be very similar. We'll do this again. So if I go to data, protected sheets and ranges, add a sheet or range, and then over here you see there's the sheet option. This is going to allow you to lock down entire sheets, meaning this whole page. I only have one sheet here, and it's called sheet 1 because it's the default name. But you can do the same thing. Set permissions, choose who has access to it and who doesn't. You can add additional editors here, hit done, changes are saved. So now when I come to my other account and try to edit, let's say this drop down here, I can't do anything. It doesn't even list itself as a drop down because I can't change it. It's really just turns it into a view only scenario. So use sparingly. I guess this is good for, actually, I really don't know what the difference is between view only and locking down a full entire sheet. I guess if the other sheets within are editable, you would want to lock down just one page. You could do it like this. So that is all we have today. I hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.